संसद विच मोदी सरकार वालों अज पहला रेलवे बजट पेश किया जा रहा है। रेल मंत्री डी.वी. सदानंद गौड़ा ने मौजूदा वित्ती साल के लिए रेल बजट नूं सदन दे विच पेश किया।
I promise to fulfill this responsibility and make every endeavour not only to lead Indian Railways but also aid in building a vibrant India under the dynamic leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji. I believe in the saying, honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. I do follow this. It gives me immense pleasure to present my maiden railway budget. Indian Railways, being the nation's prime mover, is the structure and soul of Indian economy. It echoes, rhymes and rhythm in the hearts of every citizen of this country, from Baramulla in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, and from Oka in the west to Lake Pani in the east. Madam Speaker, we all know that Indian Railways cut across all barriers of regions, classes and creed, and it is microcosm of India on the move. From a man on the streets of Bangalore to fish vendors in Kolkata, from the hustle and bustle at Nijamuddin station, everywhere you find a citizen of this country rushing to connect with the Indian Railways. Madam Speaker, though I am hardly a month old in the office, I am flooded with requests and suggestions for new trains, new railway lines, and better services from the honourable members of the Parliament, from my colleagues in the government, from the states, from the stakeholders, from the organizations, and from people of all walks of life. I know that everybody feels that there is a solution for challenges which Indian Railways face. I too thought so when I was an outsider to this system, and before I was exposed to the intricacies and complexities of the vast organization. Now, I am overwhelmed with the enormity of my responsibility in fulfilling these expectations as a Minister of Railways. Indian Railways is also going for a computer-assisted enterprise resource planning solution so that synergy is brought in. To begin with, following initiatives will be taken up. Moving towards paperless office of Indian Railways within 5 years. Next generation ticket reservation system. Wi-Fi services in all A1 and A category stations and select trains. Real-time tracking of trains and rolling stock. Mobile-based wake-up call system for passengers. Mobile-based destination arrival alert. Station navigation information system. Extension of dual display fare repeaters at all ticket counters through PPP. Digital reservation charts at stations. Extension of computerized parcel management system, extension of logistics support to various e-commerce companies by providing designated pickup centers at identified stations, providing education to children of railway staff at remote locations through Railtail OFC network. Indian Railways hold vast land assets, the records of which need to be digitized and GSI mapped for better management and usage.
ਖਬਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਓ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਜੁੜੋ। ਆਪਾਂ ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ ਫੇਸਬੁੱਕ ਤੇ, ਅਸੀਂ ਦਿਖਾਂਗੇ YouTube ਤੇ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ ਟਵਿੱਟਰ ਤੇ। ਖਬਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਰਹੋ ਦਿਨ ਰਾਤ।